Hello, everyone. Uh, Something a little new today. Welcome to Under the Truck. uh, yeah, we got another project, and I'm a little tired, but I gotta start this because I want to get it done. So, today we are installing shock absorbers on the back. It shouldn't be too bad, and now that I said that, it's going to be a nightmare. And yeah, so that's it. I got a bunch of more things to do, and anybody with an eagle eye can spot that this is broken. I need to A, figure out what that is, and B, fix it. So, yeah, we're just going to do some truck stuff, and so the main thing is that's a shock absorber. I gotta get that nut out, and there's a nut way at the top up there. And then this thing will come out, which is totally shot. And yeah. So we're just gonna do that and try and get it done. Oh yeah, anybody else? Broken leaf spring. Tell me how much fun that is. Yeah. So yeah, this is the process. It ain't gonna be too fun, and whoa, it does not like that light like that. Oh, that's better. There we go. Yeah, so we're gonna bust out this bottom nut, and then we're gonna try for this top one, but we'll see how far I get before I get angry. I don't think this thing's ever been out of this truck. Alright, I gotta go get a wrench. I'll be right back. And we're back. Yeah, so I got a new toy. Don't tell anybody. It's a freaking Dewalt 20 volt. This thing's got like, I think 1,200 foot-pounds of torque in it. It is ridiculous. And we're going to see if I'm just going to break this bolt off. Alright, this is going to get noisy. So, yeah, I'll probably either speed it up or mute it, but you won't be able to hear me with this thing running. So we'll see if, actually, here, let's change the view. I think this should work. You can barely see that screen. So, oh yeah, that should work. You should be able to see that. So that's a nut. There's bolt goes all the way through. Shock in the middle. Now the problem is, this has all been rusty, and it's been on there for who knows how long. A lot of the times this bolt gets hung up inside this shock, and it's frozen in there. It's supposed to move around a little bit. It's supposed to have some play, so I might get this nut off and nothing is going to happen, which then is just a whole nother mess. But we'll see. Let's get some spray. And one of the other greatest inventions ever, PB Blaster. You don't own some? Buy some. Don't care what you need it for. Just buy it, have it, need it. It is actual penetrating oil, where most of the time people are spraying nothing on there. By the way, WD-40 is not a lubricant. Please wait, I'll explain. There we go. Ooh, look, it's actually shiny. Holy cow, the bolt came out. Oh, you have no idea how happy that makes me. Oh, good lord. Alright, so now this should be under extreme amounts of pressure right now. And as you can see, it's not. The shock absorber compresses to take up the shock of the axle moving. So when your shocks are shot, as they say, it's not going to do anything. It's not doing anything. If I can move it with my hand like this, it's totally worthless. So that kind of explains why the ride on this thing is so horrendous. Now, the real fun part is, I'm not sure how we're going to get to this top one. Alright, so I can barely, there we go. There's the top of it. Yay. And engineering nightmare. So I have two choices. Drill a hole in the bottom of the bed and put a socket on it, which just might come to that. Or see if a wrench can get that out. I don't quite know how I can bring you along on this little adventure. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That is Blair's handy dandy camera holder. My lighting crew is setting up now. Please hold. Oh no. Yeah, there we go.